Hello, welcome to Technology Purposes, and today we're going to teach you how to make a lunch menu, a school one. You can make it for your own personal needs. Maybe if the kids are asking what's for dinner constantly and you don't want to keep answering them, you gotta keep saying food or whatever. Anyway, so you can make it for your dinner schedule or anything. So let's show you how to do it. Let's go. You go to more templates, which is over here. Then you can search calendar. And you can go with the vertical one or the horizontal, I don't know which one. But this one is probably the best one to go with. What you do is you go to create. After it loads, it'll come to this screen, be the month and the year that you're currently on, so you just hit OK. And then this might show up and you can hit OK again. So there's that. You can go up here to colors and change it. I want mine to be like a bluish color since July. Okay. And say your school or you're wanting to start on a Monday, you can put lunch and then let's say we'll just go with egg roll for the first day. The second day can be like a chicken sandwich. The next day can be pizza. And this day can be tacos. I'll fix pizza real quick. You just right click if there's any misspelled words and you can correct it. Alright, this Friday can be a pulled pork sandwich. So that's your first week. You can highlight the words and go up here to home, and then you can change the words right here. We can do blue again to keep up with our theme, or we can go red. You can do different colors for blocks. Say if there's someone cooking, you can make their night a certain color. So, let's make mom cook this day, dad. Back to mom again. Then dad can cook the tacos. You know, it just can go back and forth. Lunch, or it could be dinner. You can change it. And if you wanted the same thing, say in 2 weeks, you could put it down here. Just copy all those and then paste, and it'll do the same thing. So that is how you make a menu, like a school lunch menu, or you can make it for your home for dinner menu. It all depends on what you need it for. That's how to do
If you
it.
haven't
Thanks.
already, go on to your phone, search up the YouTube channel Technology Purposes, Chandler Smith. You should be able to find it. You can subscribe and then hit the notifications and make sure you hit all so you don't miss a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.